In a study of goose migration habits, 180 male geese and 120 female geese have been tagged for tracking. If 80 more males are tagged, how many more female geese must be tagged such that 2/3 of the total number of geese in the study are female? Remember, this is a grading question. Pause the video right now if you haven't tried it out yet. It's all about the effort, that way you can grow. I'm going to reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. It's 400 more female geese. All right. So the age-old question, why, right? We always want to ask why. So here's how we're going to do this question. First off, we just need to just read the English and just really understand what we're reading, because I don't want anyone to, start the problem off without actually knowing what we're looking at, right? So let's just go through and read this in English. Okay. So we're talking about the study of goose migration habits. Okay. We're talking about males and females that have been tagged to study that migration. And that's pretty much it. That's the basics of it. You don't want to get too complicated. All we're looking at is a study of geese migration, and they study them by tagging the males and females. That's all it is. So if you've ever watched any, National Geographic or BBC, Planet Earth, things like that, you'll see that they track some of these animals by tagging them, mostly sea animals. But there we are. So the question is, well, about these geese, we're just trying to figure out how many more females we need to achieve a certain balance. So again, that is a ratio there, 2-3, 2 out of 3. But we're just saying, hey, we want the female population to be a certain part of it. So we just need to figure out how many females that makes up. All right, so from here, let's talk math now. Our answer again is the number of female geese. How many more female geese? So let's say blank more female geese. That's what we're looking at. And I'm going to say F for that number. F more female geese. That's how many more we need. All right. So far, what do we have? So far, we have 180 males. Then we also have 120 females. And then we see that 80 more males are tagged. And then we see here how many more females must be tagged. So plus F more females. All right. So with that said, with that written out, we know that this new population, once we add those new males and females, we know that the new balance, it'll be 2/3 are female. How do I know that? Again, right here. 2/3 are going to be female. So we have all of the information that we need. Here's how we're going to do this. The new balance is 2/3 are female. So that means that 2/3, again, females is the 2, and the 3 is the total. So 2 out of every 3 are female. So how does that translate to the other side of this equation? Well, guys, this is a proportion. And so to complete this problem, what we're going to have to do now is see that, hey, look, how many are going to be female and how many total do we have? Well, we see that we have 120 females plus F more. So whatever amount we're adding to the 120, that's going to be, again, the total number of females. And then in the denominator, we have to add all of these up, not just the males. So be careful. The biggest mistake that you can make is just only writing the males in the denominator. No, 2 out of 3 means females to total. So we need to have females to total on that right side. So we're going to add everything together. The 180 plus the 80 plus the 120 plus the F. Got to add it all up. So from here, this is a proportion. All we have to do now is solve. Cross, multiply, and divide, and then solve. So here we're going to have 3 times 120 plus F And on the right side, we have 2 multiplied by, and I'm going to add these together. 180 plus 120 plus 80 is 380. Because from here now, we're going to distribute here and distribute here. So we're going to have 360 plus 3f equals 760 plus 2f. Now, I'm going to subtract 2f from both sides. And I'm also going to subtract 360 from both sides. Because I hope you see that on the right side, the f's cancel, and on the left side, the 360 cancels. So here we're left with f equals 400. And remember, f was what we were looking for. F more female geese. What is the, or how many more female geese is the question? So there it is. 400 is the answer. There we are. So remember, guys, it's very important that we read the questions to understand the English behind it. As silly as that might seem, taking the 10-15 seconds to break that problem down in English makes it so much easier to apply the math. So with that said, hope this helps out. Let us know if not.